Hey Whales, good morning. It is Monday, November the 10th. Hope you guys are having a great weekend and Monday so far. Let's recap the markets and go over Meta. I've been getting a lot of requests for Meta as it continues to dip here. Let's go over exactly what you should be doing, if I should be, buying more shares and really break it down here. Now, as always, before we jump in, let's go over our trade so far for this year to see how we're doing. You guys can see we're absolutely killing it, right? We're up 97K in profit, guys. Amazing stuff. We only started with 100K at the beginning of this year together, right? So 97K profits, that's fantastic. 63% win rate across our trades as well. And you can see for the month of November, awesome start to the month. So hopefully we can keep up this momentum moving forward. And all the trades here, guys, every single trade is posted in Discord. So come through, right? You get the exact entries, targets, stop losses across swing trade ideas, day trade ideas, right? Across your favorite stocks here. And you get exactly when I get in and get out of my trades, right? So for instance, this is Google, perfect entry. This was Next Era Energy, perfect entry, right? So you get all this exactly here in Discord. So I look forward to seeing you here. The link is in the bio for you to join. You're going to make so much money with us. And yeah, we'll see you here. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into Meta. So overall, guys, for Meta, it's a great company, right? One of a generational sort of company and fantastic buying opportunities, especially as it starts to become cheaper in valuation. You guys can see we are within a bullish structure still. Okay, so we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing off all of a wave 1 sequence, and possible complex correction in A, B, C, W, X, Y, right, for a complex correction down here. If I take some Fibonacci retracement levels from the swing lows to the swing highs, it is coming down to fantastic areas between the 618 levels, right? And I've been adding Meta along the way, all right? So I took a first position on Friday because I did buy at the April lows down here, okay? So I took another position as it comes down, and I'll take another one if it does break down even lower, maybe closer to the low 500s, right? Now, if it does come down here, there is a little bit of a warning sign, okay, because this would mean that the S&P 500 is starting to break down, and if that happens, then if Meta starts breaking, let's say, this invalidation level low, then possibly around that 403 would be that next level buy, okay? And I think this would be a blessing in disguise, right? Even though stocks would go lower, you're getting a fantastic company even cheaper. So I'll be looking to buy with my paychecks, right, every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks, whatever the case may be, to try to get into a fantastic company, because I know in the future Meta's going to do fantastic. All right, now main targets is back here on the inverse Fibonacci levels at 873 to 995, right? And you can take a look, right, for Meta. It's a great company, guys, great company. Look at the annual sort of growth rate, revenues, margins also increasing. It's a fantastic company that I wouldn't mind holding in sort of tough times, which we'll be experiencing soon, okay? So just keep buying, in my opinion. There's no reason for you to ever sell your shares unless it's generational, or unless it's a generational amount of money that you've made, unless you find better opportunities, which I don't think in the markets right now you'll get anything as good as right now for Meta, or, right, you're ready to retire, so, and want to go into safer assets. So go into Meta, in my opinion. You're going to make so much money. And you're looking at possibly $890 or $870 up to $1,000 per share in the future. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys soon. Again, come join Discord, guys, right? You get exactly when I get into Meta, when I get into all these stocks, long-term portfolios, day trades, everything you need here to succeed. So I look forward to seeing you. See ya.